Hello everybody and welcome. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video we will learn how to install a very popular Solana wallet. It's called Phantom. Yeah, Phantom is the name. And we're gonna install it here on my browser. In this case I'm using Brave, but you can use Google Chrome for example. So this Phantom wallet is gonna be an extension. So we have to click the menu and we have to go to the extension part. So I already have those extensions, but we have to click here on web store. So we click it. All right, and we are here. Yeah, it's Chrome web store. It's kind of funny because we are using Brave, but yeah, well, we have to write here. Yeah, Phantom. This is the name. All right, here we are. We have here the Phantom wallet, and we just have to add extension. So now we just have to wait a little bit. It's done. It's gonna download it and it's gonna install by itself. So we have just to wait a little. It's ready. All right, well, we have Phantom here. This is the extension. We have two options. The first of all, if we want to create a new wallet, or the second one if we want to import an already existing wallet. So if you have another Phantom wallet in another computer or whatever, you can put here your 12 secret words, or you can choose 24 and you can import it. All right, but in this case we're gonna create a new one. So first part, put a local password. So I'm gonna do this. I think it's already done. I agree terms. Perfect. So this is the secret recovery. Okay, we have the 12 words, but in this case I don't want to show it. I save my secret recovery phrase. Perfect. Keyboard shortcut, you can open Phantom. All right, interesting. Alt Shift P. Okay, here we have. Nice, and I already have my Solana wallet. Okay, continue, and everything is done. Perfect, beautiful. So if I click here and I go into Phantom, I already have my, you're not connected to Chrome. I already have my wallet here. Very interesting, eh? Well, right now I don't have any Solana, any Sol, but yeah, it's kinda nice. You can transfer here, for example, deposits and NFT, I guess. And well, perfect. This is the settings part. All right, it's beautiful, and this is my address. Perfect. Well, that's the way that we can install Phantom on our browser. So I think it's done, and I hope this video helped you. If you have any doubt, you please put it on the comment and I will try my best to answer you as soon as I can. Well, a big hug, and I hope you're having a great day. Enjoy.